Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I will be talking to you about Aspect Red Less Calming Serum. Now the Red Less 21 is a very serious cosmetic corrective with the power to comfort and relieve the look and feel of stressed out skin on the verge of a nervous breakdown. Apply a few drops and within a few minutes your skin feels relaxed, more comfortable and less tight, as though the fire on your skin has been put out. Within weeks, the signs of stress are diminished, the look of redness is neutralised and the skin defences are remarkably strengthened, so it's better able to cope with the harsh, unfavourable conditions that you would have once caused it to react and cry out for help. The secret to Red Less 21 lies in its blend of 21 completely natural face-saving botanicals, herbs, vitamins and extracts. The most active and beneficial of all is its very high content of certified organic Sea Buckthorn berry oil. This remarkable botanical provides just about everything your skin needs to look healthy, vibrant, youthful and resist those aggressors that damage its appearance. Now the Red Less is suitable for all red, irritated, reactive and sensitive skin. Great for post-peel, laser and surgery. Apply a small pea-sized amount warmed up in your hands and pressed in all over the entire face. It's not to be used on any open wounds. Now it's great over other Aspect serums such as your vitamin C, your pigment patch or your jungle brew. As I mentioned, it's great to use after having IPL, laser and any peel treatments due to its calming and soothing properties. So if you would like to purchase the Aspect Red Less 21, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.